Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I will show you how to find your Bitget wallet address on Bitget app. If you are looking to receive crypto on Bitget, then you will need your wallet address, and it's critical to pick the correct wallet address and network, because if you make a mistake you will risk losing your phone. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Let's go over to assets. You can see it at the right corner. Let me go over to it right away, and over to asset you're going to see sports. Let me go over to sports, and what you have to do next for you to go over to add phone, and over here you're going to see deposit crypto. Let me go over to deposit crypto. Choose the crypto you want to deposit. There are a lot of them here, or you can go over to the search button. Let me go over to the search button and searching USD, and look at it over here. Let me go over to it here. Over here they're telling you to choose networks to make sure the network you are choosing is correct. So let me go over to ERC20, which is Ethereum, and over here is where you can copy your deposit address. You can copy it over here. Let me do that right away, and you say copy, and you can also save or share it to more people. Let me go over to more, and you can share it to Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere you feel like sharing it, or you can also save the image to your phone. Let me save it right away. Let me go over to save image, and you say save to album. But the best part is for you to copy your deposit address. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.